Hello,
Hello.
my name is Brett Nauman. Hold on, let me just have the Dorito. Okay. Today, I decided it'd be nice after I recorded a video to demonstrate to you one of the things that I needed a lot of demonstration on when I first started playing. The John Bonham Fool in the Rain halftime shuffle, I think it's called. Okay. It consists of constant da 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 da, but you have to throw in an open hi-hat. Not only does it have that, well, you have to lift up your foot, you have to play. Just when you thought it couldn't get any harder, to make it very authentic, you have to put ghost notes in there. When you throw it all together, as I just did, it sounds very good. Hold on. It sounds very, very good. Show it off in front of your friends, they think you're John Bonham, even though, rest in peace, John Bonham, we miss you. I miss you. Okay. That was ugly, but just a nice little demonstration. Hope you comment, rate, subscribe. 5 stars for the Blazing Buffalo Doritos. Have a great day.